Hello and welcome, creatives. Today we will embark on a journey to design a book cover. Whether you're creating your own stories or bringing someone else's dreams to life, this is where imagination meets reality, and we'll do it together step by step. Our first stop will be crafting the concept. We'll start off with a blank artboard. I like to start with two just in case I have to make any changes to the design without affecting the original design. Now, using the rectangle tool, we'll add a background and change the color into something more fitting. Now I'm thinking of having the illusion of activities popping out of the book, so we'll add a punch out PNG and then we'll just look until we find the one that we want. We'll open and drag this onto the original artboard. So now we want to add some text. So we'll grab the ellipse tool. We need a stroke but not a fill. Grab the type on the path tool. Type in some filler text for now. So we'll just zoom out here so it'll be easier for us to compare fonts. We're looking for fonts that are suitable to the target audience. In this case, it'll be kids and their parents. So we're looking for fonts that are playful and fun, but also legible. Now, to make sure the fonts are a good pairing, we'll delete the filler text and put the words in that we want. And this is where we'll end on our journey for today. In our next video, we'll go over crafting the heart and soul of any book, the illustration. So stay tuned and we'll see you next time.